How to add Grammarly to Google Chrome. If you want to add Grammarly to Chrome, you can follow these steps. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly. Tap on the Grammarly extension and click on Add to Chrome. Download Grammarly for free, and if the browser asks for permission, select the Add Extension option. The Grammarly extension will appear in the top right corner beside Chrome search bar. That's it. You can now use Grammarly to check your writing on any website. Grammarly is a tool that helps you improve your grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, and tone in your writing. It also offers generative AI features that can help you write faster and better. Learn more. 1. Grammarly for Chrome. Grammarly. https://www.grammarly .com/browser/Chrome. 2. Grammarly, Grammar Checker and AI Writing App, Chrome Web Store. https://chrome.google.com/webstore/details/grammarly-grammar-checker/kbfnbcaaplbcioakkpcpgfkobkghlhen. 3. Grammarly for Chrome. Grammarly. https://www.grammarly.com/browser/Chrome. 4. Grammarly, Grammar Checker and AI Writing App, Chrome Web Store. https://chrome.google.com/webstore/details/grammarly-grammar-checker/kbfnbcaaplbcioakkkpcpgfkobkghlhen.